To test the Bill.com API webhook, start by understanding what a webhook is and its role in the Bill.com API. A webhook is a callback function that notifies a specified URL when a specific event occurs in the Bill.com system, such as when a bill is paid or a payment is made. First, create a developer account on the Bill.com website and obtain an API key and secret. The API key and secret are used to authenticate API requests and secure your webhook endpoint. Next, choose a programming language and a framework to create a webhook endpoint. Popular choices include Node, JS, Python, and Ruby. Create a new server or use an existing one to host your webhook endpoint. Once the webhook endpoint is set up, configure the Bill.com API to send notifications to your endpoint. This is done by providing the URL of your webhook endpoint and specifying the events you want to receive notifications for. To test the webhook, use a tool like Postman or curl to send a test notification to your endpoint. You can also use the Bill.com API sandbox environment to simulate real-world scenarios and test your webhook endpoint. When testing the webhook, verify that the notification is received correctly and that the payload contains the expected data. You can also test error handling and edge cases to ensure your webhook endpoint is robust and reliable. Best practices for testing the Bill.com API webhook include using a secure connection, validating the payload, and handling errors and exceptions properly. It is also important to monitor your webhook endpoint for any issues and update your endpoint as needed to ensure compatibility with the Bill.com API. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully test the Bill.com API webhook and integrate it into your application. This will enable you to receive real-time notifications and automate workflows, making it easier to manage your finances and streamline your business operations.